Caution before assembly. Please put the product on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Fix footpad J to C. Fix B and C together with one screw eye. Insert K to the hole on C. Fix D to B and C with 6 screws H. Make sure the screw head is not higher than the connecting plate. Put 2A together. Fix footpad J to A. Fix the V-frame to A with 4 screws G. Attention! Please use black screws G here. Fix the other V-frame to the other side of A with 4 screws G. Fix E or F on the top of the whole frame. Attention! For tabletops with a thickness of 5 centimeters or more, we recommend using the 0.5 centimeters tabletop holder E. For tabletops with a thickness of up to 5 centimeters, we recommend using the 3 centimeters tabletop holder F. Fix 0.5 centimeters tabletop holder E. Make sure the screw head is not higher than the 0.5 centimeters tabletop holder. The holes are used for assembly of the tabletop. Fix 3 centimeters tabletop holder F. The holes are used for assembly of the tabletop. Attention! Tabletop is not included in the package of the table base. No screws are supplied to fix the tabletop with table frame. Warning! Please use correct length of screws, depending the thickness of tabletop. Please use correct type of screws depending material of tabletop, wooden, steel, etc.